Welcome to the Irish Tax Review website. You can log in using your ITI username and password. Once logged in, the home page is divided into the current or most recent issue, the previous issues, so we have issue 4 from December 2020 and issue 3 from September 2020, the lead articles from those previous issues, information on the Irish Tax Review's editorial board, previous articles from previous issues, and information on how to submit an article for consideration by the board. To view the most recent issue, click on Read the current issue. This opens the Issue 1 page. On the issue page, you can read the lead article by clicking Read this article. The editor's summary page is a synopsis of all the articles in this issue. There is a list of all of the feature articles on the right-hand side, with all article titles being hyperlinked. Elsewhere on the page, the President and Chief Executive pages are listed under Messages from the Institute, plus we have news and moves from the tax community. The regular feature articles include the Legislation and Policy Monitor, direct tax cases from Irish, UK and European courts, upcoming compliance deadlines, an international tax update, VAT cases and VAT news, and accounting developments of interest. Once you have selected an article to read, the article's content is available on the right-hand side. Again, it is hyperlinked, so you can proceed directly to that area of the content. You can share the article on Facebook, Twitter or LinkedIn. You can email the article to a colleague by selecting the small envelope. You can also print the article for later review. Using the print function, you can also choose to save it as a PDF and store it on your local drive. Clicking on the Irish Tax Review will bring you back to the home page. The website also has a search function. Thank you.